Although Microvision's stock has been in penny stock territory for most of the decade, its immense potential is too much to be ignored. It retains significant attention in the market because the Lidar sensors and deterministic AI software it develops could bring greater autonomy in automotive, industrial, robotics, agriculture, mining, military, and commercial vehicle markets. Mainly by combining perception software, application software, and MEMS and flash-based LiDAR sensors, allowing real-time decision-making without reliance on the cloud, improving speed, privacy, energy efficiency, and cost. Unlike some other LiDAR companies, which are relatively new, Microvision was founded in 1993 and is a pioneer in laser beam scanning, LBS, and MEMS-based technologies. In 2023, it acquired key assets from IBO Automotive Systems, adding automotive-qualified LiDAR hardware, perception, and validation software used by premium OEMs. Core products include Maven, a long-range MEMS LiDAR, MVIS, a short to mid-range flash LiDAR, and a mature perception software stack with localization and sensor fusion capabilities. In 2024, Microvision restructured operations, reducing its workforce by 41% to focus resources on perception software and Maven and MVIS products. The company's market strategy focuses on deploying its perception solutions across autonomy and mobility applications, with primary emphasis on industrial markets such as robotics, warehouse automation, agriculture, and mining, alongside automotive, advanced driver assistive systems, autonomous driving, and military uses. In industrial settings, its LiDAR sensors and perception software target OEMs in automated guided vehicle, AGV, and autonomous mobile robot AMR markets, supporting warehouse automation, autonomous supply chains, smart farming, and automated mining to improve safety, efficiency, and productivity. In automotive, the solutions were developed for Level 2+ and Level 3 advanced driver-assisted systems, prioritizing safety, cost efficiency, and integration flexibility. High-resolution, long-range LiDAR enables advanced safety features at higher speeds, while sensor-fused, edge-based outputs reduce system complexity, development time, hardware requirements, and overall cost for OEMs. The go-to-market approach centers on partnerships with OEMs, Tier 1 automotive suppliers, industrial operators, and silicon providers, using direct sales, co-development, and potential licensing models. The strategy also extends to military applications, leveraging the company's defense technology heritage to address emerging needs in the growing defense tech sector. This defense focus led Microvision to form a defense advisory board to accelerate its expansion into the defense technology sector, leveraging its perception solutions and legacy in military display systems. The board began with 3 experienced leaders in defense and emerging technologies: Nate Adler, Lisa Donnan, and Brian Hibben, each bringing deep government, intelligence, and commercialization expertise. The move builds on Microvision's evolution from MEMS-based laser beam scanning displays to a broader portfolio of perception software, sensors, and machine learning used in automotive, industrial, and defense applications. Last year, it also opened a new Northern Virginia office, testing facilities, and airstrip to support its aerial systems team. The facility will develop LiDAR-based perception systems for drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and autonomous platforms used in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. The location enables rapid demonstrations and flight testing with defense partners. Engineering operations in Washington State and Hamburg, Germany are also maintained as it expands its presence in defense technology. Being a relatively old LiDAR company, Microvision benefits from technical maturity of its perception software stack, Maven and MVIS LiDAR technologies, and the Mosaic validation toolchain, built on nearly 30 years of proprietary development. Its key differentiator is an integrated, validated hardware and software solution for automotive and industrial customers, combining LiDAR sensors, perception software, and custom ASICs. The perception software enables accurate object detection, classification, tracking, lane and boundary recognition, delivering reliable environmental modeling for autonomous and mobility applications. By integrating perception directly into the Lidar sensor, using efficient system-on-chip designs, power consumption, space requirements, system complexity, and overall cost is reduced compared with external ECU-based architectures. MVIS flash-based solid-state Lidar sensors are automotive-grade, compact, robust, and energy-efficient, delivering high-resolution 4D point clouds and reliable performance in harsh conditions. MVIS-based Lidar sensors leverage the company's patented laser beam scanning technology, offering long-range detection up to 220 meters, high point cloud density, low latency, and immunity to interference, making them suitable for automotive, industrial, and military use. The product portfolio includes perception software, automotive and industrial Lidar sensors, validation tools, and engineering services. Revenue is expected from hardware sales, high-volume automotive supply agreements, industrial deployments in AGVs and AMRs, licensing and royalties, and custom software and services across automotive, industrial, and defense markets. To speed up its advancement, Microvision is acquiring select assets from Luminar Technologies for $33 million in cash through a bankruptcy auction. The deal includes IP and inventory for Luminar's Iris and Halo Lidar sensors, key engineering and operations personnel, and certain commercial contracts. Microvision was the winning bidder under Section 363 of the U.S. Bankruptcy Code, surpassing a $22 million offer from Quantum Computing. The transaction, approved by the Bankruptcy Court on January 27, 2026, is expected to close on or shortly after February 2, 2026, with a final deadline of March 12, 2026. The transaction is subject to standard closing conditions, including warranties, representations, and compliance obligations. In addition to Luminar assets, Microvision acquired Scantinel Photonics GmbH, gaining its 1550 nanometer FMCW LiDAR technology and a team of around 20 engineers in Ulm, Germany. The acquisition expanded Microvision's portfolio with long-range LiDAR sensors for commercial vehicles and passenger car advanced driver assistive systems applications. And to get a leg up, Microvision's MVIS LiDAR system began supporting NVIDIA's Drive AGX platform via a plug-in driver last year, simplifying integration for automotive OEMs developing autonomous driving systems. The integration allows manufacturers to access perception-enhanced point cloud data processed directly on the sensor, reducing system complexity. Microvision offers two solid-state MVIS variants, MVIS L for commercial trucking and MVIS S for high-volume automotive applications. The company says platform compatibility could accelerate adoption of its LiDAR and perception solutions as automakers expand AI-driven safety and autonomy features. The first commercial order for MVIS L sensors with integrated software has already come in, targeting industrial and security applications. The MVIS L features solid-state, flash-based technology, offering lightweight, low power, and rugged performance for harsh environments. Production capacity for the MVIS L was increased in 2025 to meet demand, while the next-generation MVIS S sensor is expected to begin production in Q4 2026. Then, in a move to improve performance alignment and executive retention, Microvision updated its executive compensation, approving a 2025 executive bonus plan tied to company performance and individual results, with bonuses paid in cash, equity, or both. Now, if you believe in the Microvision, please like and share this video with your fellow LiDAR lads and lasses on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.